I'm going to show you an up-close view of my brows. I did them both differently, and I want to know down in the comments if you can tell the difference. Over 50, the tail of your brow matters more than you think it does. It can either lift your face up or drag your face down. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here. If we haven't met yet, I'm 58, and you can find me over on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. And if you're like me, over 50, way over 50, I have enough on my face that's pointing down. I don't need to add to it by not paying attention to the tail of my brows. You may not need an entire brow makeover, but if you do, I have made an entire brow tutorial. I will link it here. I will also link it down in the description below. It gives you a lot of really great tips where they should start, where they should end. But today we're mainly focusing on this tail end. If this is you creating the tail of your brow, you're normal. That is our natural instinct, is to fill in that tail like this. But what happens when we do that, it ends up being too low, it ends up being too dark, the tail of the brow ends up being too long, and that results in everything pointing down. Now, can you see the difference between this one and this one? Let's fix that. If you're like me, when you apply your makeup, you just want it to look like you, but better. So I want you to make two shifts today. One is, rather than think of a brow pencil, that's our natural inclination. When we think about filling in our brows, we grab a brow pencil. That's what our mothers did. But I want to encourage you to look for a brow pen. I will link my favorite one down in the description below. If you're used to using a brow pencil, this takes a little bit of an adjustment, but once I started, oh my gosh, it makes a huge difference. It just gives you hair-like strokes. The other shift we're going to make is when you get to this tail end of your brow, rather than filling in like this, which is what you saw me do earlier, we're going to be flicking out, aiming toward the temple. So the front part of my brow is done. The tail is the last 1/3. So now that I only have that left, what I'm going to do is just use a very light hand to just create flicking motions, aiming toward my temple. I am not filling in like this. I am just flicking. Can you see how making this one small adjustment on how we fill in the tail of our brow can make in lifting our face? If this was helpful, let me know down in the comments. I hope you'll like and subscribe, share this with a friend. And if you want to see another video where one small adjustment can make a huge difference, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.